In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva element keywords. If you've ever searched inside Canva for something simple like an icon, a background, or a matching set of graphics, you already know how quickly the results can become overwhelming. Using broad search terms often brings up too many unrelated options, which can slow down your workflow and make it harder to stay creative. The good news is that Canva's Elements library becomes much more useful once you know how to search it the right way. To get started, open Canva and go to your homepage. From there, find the design you want to work on in your recent projects and open it so you're inside the main editing area. This can be a presentation, a flyer, a social media post, or any other design. The goal here is simply to have your canvas open and ready so you can search for elements while seeing exactly how they'll fit into your layout. Once your project is open, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Canva keeps its main tools and content panels. Click on Elements to open the asset library. This is where you'll search for graphics, icons, illustrations, shapes, and other visual elements. Now, for the most important part, your search terms. Instead of typing something very generic, try using more specific style-based keywords. For example, search phrases like organic summer, Y2K aesthetic, rustic minimalist, mezzo tint, or cyberpunk line art. These kinds of keywords usually give you more curated and visually consistent results. This is especially helpful when you want your design to feel polished and intentional rather than random. If your results still feel too broad, use Canva's filters. In the search bar area, click the filter icon to refine what you see. You can narrow results by color, choose static instead of animated elements, or look for cutouts if you want images with transparent backgrounds. This makes it much easier to find assets that match your design without wasting time scrolling. When you find an element you really like, there's a smart way to discover more matching visuals. Hover over the element and click the three-dot menu. From there, choose View Collection if it appears, or open the designer's profile. This can help you find other graphics from the same set or creator, which is great for keeping your design consistent. Once you've chosen your elements, drag them onto your canvas and move them into place. Watch for Canva's alignment guides as you position everything, since they help keep your layout clean and balanced. When you're happy with the final design, go to the top right, click Share, then Download, choose PNG, and start your download for a high-quality export. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next